Jeff here. I recently did an unboxing and short product review of my 3-ton Harbor Freight low profile floor jack. And there were a few comments from viewers about bleeding the jack and how you do that. It's easy to do, and the jack will perform better when it's under load as well. I'll also show you how to grease the jack too. So let's get started.
The first step is to remove the cover plate, which is held on by 4 Phillips head screws, 2 on each side. Next, back out the Phillips head screw for the hydraulic fluid reservoir a few turns, but not all the way. You may see a few air bubbles come out and a little hydraulic fluid leak out. Don't panic, this is normal. The whole purpose of bleeding is to remove air that's sealed in the reservoir. Now, turn the pump handle counterclockwise a few turns. Then quickly pump the handle a few times. There may be some hydraulic fluid that leaks out. If so, wipe it off with a rag. Then close the reservoir by tightening the screw down. Before putting the cover plate on, give the jack a quick test. First turn the handle clockwise until it stops, then start pumping. If you watched my first video, it took 7 pumps with this same test. Bleeding the jack made a little difference because it only took 6.5 here. I'll test the jack under load too, but first I'll chalk the back wheels. In my first video, it took 16 pumps to lock out all the way. Unfortunately, I no longer own the car I used in that test, so I'm testing it on my Honda Odyssey here. My Odyssey weighs about 1,200 pounds more than the CRV I used in the first video. Surprisingly, it only took 1 more pump at 17 versus the 16 it took for the CRV. I'm no physics specialist, but I'd say that's a definite improvement after bleeding it. To see an unboxing and assembly video I made, check out the link in the description below. To top off the pivot point with grease, put your grease gun on the fitting and pump it in until grease comes out, then just wipe off the excess. Lastly, install the cover plate. Hand tighten the 4 screws to hold the plate in place, then tighten them down with your screwdriver.
I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more DIY projects and honest reviews. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video.